Hey everyone, we're at the Welsh Harp in Brent, London, and we're about to have a unique experience. Today, we're learning to make s'mores. Now, these delicious treats might be common in other parts of the world, but they're a bit of a rarity here in the UK. We're going to spark a fire, roast marshmallows, and create some truly special s'mores. If you're interested in giving this a try, check out the information in the description below. And after we enjoy these yummy treats, we're off on another exciting adventure, berry picking. Stay tuned to see what we discover.
Bit closer, Rochelle.
Oh, we'll have to wait for cookie. It's almost
Bit more. There you go.
Try holding it nice and low.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that's browning nicely.
Turn it on.
We're getting the hang of this now.
Yeah?
See now.
It's done enough? Brown? Do you want to make it a bit more brown, or are you happy with that?
Put it in a space.
You're happy? Would you like
Space down there.
2 cookies, digestive, or one of each? These ones. Very precisely. If you put your marshmallow on that cookie there,
You go.
and I'll put one in here, and you pull it out, pull your stick. Pull, pull, pull.
They're cracking nice.
There we go.
That's a nice melt.
And I'll swap your stick for your cookie.
There you go.
Right?
So thank you. Come on.
What do you like? One of each, or 2 cookies? Or which one?
Yes, I'll give it.
Or one of each? Yeah? So squash it in between there. You pull, pull, pull. Pull your stick. There you go. I'll swap you. That's it. Well done.
Thank you.
You gonna have some? How's it, Rochelle? Thank you. Yummy?
Wow. Yours is cooking. That's wonderful.
Oh, perfect brown.
Takes a little bit of paper.
It does not
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's
That's
on fire
enough.
now.
There you go.
Make sure that's out.
Enough. Let's go. A little bit burnt.
Just a little
Look.
bit.
In, make it like a little sandwich. Look, like that. This is our marshmallow cookie sandwich. Yes, like it. Mm. Mm.
Great. And now, hold it like this. Push that down onto that one like that. That's it. And push it away. That's it.
Ah.
Brilliant. Oh, you're very good at this. It'll be fine. Very unlikely, but if you're feeling a little unsafe, you can just put your hands out a little bit further.
You're not going to start a fire now. This is what she's trying. Well done.
Are you right-handed as well?
Yes.
Great. So focus on there, good, good. And then push the metal down. Usually it's at a bit of an angle, so you sort of just lift it up a little bit. Other way. That's it, lift it up a little. That's it, perfect. That's it. Right, have a look. It's pretty good. Yeah, see if we can make a slightly better spark. So not quite so high, almost flat but not flat. That's it. Try now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah, that's a weak one.
Brilliant. Great. Nice.
What are you having now? Is that marshmallow cookie? Huh?
S'mores. No, I really like the s'mores.
Okay. How about you, Maya?
Way better with the digestive cookie.
So what do you think about the experience so far?
Daddy, can I talk about the bit that I like?
Who?
Can I talk about the bit that I like?
Okay.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow what?
Marshmallow cookie. That.
Yeah, say properly. Marshmallow cookies. There you go.
Marshmallow poopies. Maya's picking some elderberries. Let's see what she got.
Okay.
She got all the ripe looking ones. And we can make juice with these elderberries. Yeah, that's a good idea, Maya. That's a really good idea.
You can make what, Maya?
Juice with these elderberries. You mean smoothies?
Juice or smoothies?
I want to make juice. I want to make
don't want to forget.
a spider wings. Okay, give them all to me, okay? Okay. But I need the white ones. Yeah, the black ones. These ones. You're going after the black ones. Yeah. I'll try and get the black ones. Hi. This is what I made. It's going to be our memory from coming here. Yeah, and I used my favorite color thread.
Okay.
To tie the sticks together. Wow! Look at this flower, it's beautiful. Mommy, can I have this whole trunk?
Yeah, just one, okay? So let's take it off here. There you go.
Yeah, I didn't eat them yet, okay? Okay. These ones are the white ones. Those are not the white ones. Oh, yeah, black ones. Look for the colour black. Look for the colour black. These ones are not white yet.
Yeah.
Damn it, it's over there.
Yeah, wow, it's a big one. It's not blood, it's juice from the
Juice?
blackberry.
Yummy juice! Yummy juice! Yummy juice! Yummy juice!
What's up, blackberry flower?
Mr. Maya! Can I see the blackberry flower?
You see that?
Got a lot in here. The bag is getting heavier.
Let's see the blackberries you have.
Have a big belly, have a hand.
It's in your hands. Can we see? Open.
Yes.
Oh wow, Leo.
It's a belly. A bit heavy.
I got some here, look. This bottle is full.
Wow.
And we got some here.
Nice.
Here you go. And little boy collected some. Look. Rochelle? Okay, you there.
Oh. Oh wow.
Yeah.
Well done,
Look
baby.
how many you got.
So that was our super fun and slightly unusual s'mores adventure right here at the Welsh Harp. We hope you enjoyed seeing us try this North American treat. The Welsh Harp isn't just about tasty snacks around a campfire. They've got lots of summer activities going on, so check out the link in the description box below for more information. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.